Hello, we have a new package manager in Neovim, so let's create a minimal config and using it. We are going to see some cases in which um, this new package manager is different from lazy package manager. Okay, so I have here an empty config, and to add a package you need to use this command, and you need to add here the GitHub repository of the package. Okay, so I'm going to add the Tokyo Night theme. Okay, you just copy this and there. Now save changes, restart. Okay, now I need to set this new theme. Color is scheme Tokyo Night. Okay, restart. There. Now I want the LSP running, so let's add the LSP config. Okay, to add the config I need to do vim lsp enable lua ls. And restart. Okay, now to see if the LSP is running, we can do check health vim lsp, and here it is running. Let's add some basic config. I'm going to do vim opt relative number true and vim opt autocomplete. Okay, okay, with these few lines we have some basic configuration. Now we are going to add more packages, and we're going to see some special cases. Okay. Okay, now I want to add the oil explorer. So let me see my previous config. In this config, there is this special function. This just is just executed after the package is added. Okay, so this is very simple in the new package manager. You just add the file and then you put the rest of the code here. Okay, so let's do it. Let me see the name of the package. Okay, here, and here I'm going to call require oil, and I'm going to stay with just minimal settings. Okay, just setup. So this is, I think this is best in the new package manager. It is clear. So let's restart. Okay, now if I run oil there. Okay, now I want to add a fuzzy finder. So my old configuration is this. And we have a dependency here. This is not in vim.pack, but this is easy. We just add the dependency before the package. So let's do it. I'm going to copy this, and we can put two packages in a single method. So just I need to do this. I need the name of the package. Here. Now I need the name of the dependency. Okay. There. Now let's restart. We have an error here. I think I need to put here. I need to add this. Start. Okay, now if I type Lua, and I think files there. Okay, now something that I like is to have a lot of themes, and I just enable or disable the ones that I'm not using. For example, in my old config I have this file, and I just enable the one that I'm using, but this property is not in vim.pack. So I suppose I can just comment the plugins that I'm not using. So let's do it. For example, if I want to use more than one, I'm going to place this here, and suppose I want to use capuchin. I'm just going to comment this and add capuchin. Okay, let me see the name of the package. Capuchin and vim. Capuchin and vim. Okay, so this is not the the best, but it works. It's not too bad. If I want to use Tokyo Night, I should comment this, and if I want to use capuchin, I just comment the other one. Well, so let's save this and restart, and there. Okay, I need your help with this one. With lazy package manager, the package is added only when you are using it, if you add the lazy property. But in this case, in the new package manager, we don't have that, and I think this is a hard thing to replace. So if you have any idea, it could be helpful. Now I want to install the Blink plugin, and in this case something strange happened. In lazy package manager, the plugin is compiled when it's added, and vim.pack doesn't have that. So let's try to add it. I'm going to copy this, I want the name of the plugin. I think I need to call setup, so require link and setup. Okay, let's save this. And there. I need to build manually the plugin. So let's try to do it. I need to find that file, that folder. So I'm going to use cf and link cm. I think this is the one. So I can do no, I think it's not this. It is here. There. So I need to go blink and I have to do cargo build. I think with let me restart this. Cargo build release. Okay, now let's restart this and there. Let me see if yeah. It seems blink is working, but that one was kind of messy. So if you know how to do this in a better way, it could be helpful. So what do you think? You will change your config to the new package manager? I'm not sure yet. So hope you like it. See you.